This is the empowered PC Panorama XL gaming desktop, built for high-performance gamers, streamers, and creators. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Featuring the latest and most powerful 24-core Intel Core i9-14900KF processor, this PC delivers an elite experience whether you're gaming, editing, or streaming. With clock speeds boosting up to 6.0 GHz, you'll get lightning-fast responsiveness and multitasking like never before. The dedicated NVD GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card with 12 GB of GDDR5 memory ensures ultra-smooth performance and stunning visuals in every frame, whether you're pushing AAA titles at 100+ FPS or diving into VR. Paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz, it handles multitasking like a pro, from heavy applications to dozens of browser tabs. Storage won't be a bottleneck either. It comes with a blazing fast 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, which gives you up to 30x the speed of traditional hard drives, cutting boot times and load screens to seconds. It's an ideal setup for creators who need instant access to their files and gamers who demand speed. For cooling, the Panorama XL features 10 ARGB PWM fans to maintain optimal temperature and performance, all while lighting up your setup with vibrant RGB effects. The tempered glass front and side panels not only enhance airflow but also give you a stunning panoramic view of your components and lighting. You also get Wi-Fi 6E, HDMI and DisplayPort options for flexible multi-display setups, and it runs on Windows 11 Pro, optimized for gaming and productivity. Plus, it includes a rainbow backlit keyboard and LED mouse to complete your desk setup right out of the box. Every empowered PC is assembled in the USA, thoroughly stress-tested for reliability, and backed by lifetime technical support and a 3-year limited hardware warranty, so you can buy with confidence. If you're looking for a powerhouse desktop that delivers next-gen performance and standout aesthetics, the Panorama XL is ready for you. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.